Very okay. Last session, what we discussed. Okay, how many of you created, Anypoint platform account? Just raise your hand. Raise means in the chat box. Yes, I could see only 2 people. Very good. 5. Some people are texting in the chat. Okay, good. So you created account, right? Successfully. Click on this sign in. Okay, as soon as you click on this sign in, it will take to you this page. Okay, yesterday we created, right, this API. Okay, it will be, look like this. So click here. Okay, this is how we can open our application. Next, if you want to delete this application, click here. You will get the options. Import from Exchange, download the project, rename it. If you want, you can rename this project. Okay, duplicate it and delete it. Click on delete. That means your project is going to be deleted. Okay. Now, again, I am showing from the scratch. Okay, na? Starting nunchi cheptanu ela create cheyali. Click on create new. Can someone tell me what is new API spec?
Can
specification.
Create new API specification.
Very good. New API specification. That means we can create new API. Okay. What is fragment?
It's a piece of a code.
Very good. Piece of
Reusable
code.
purpose.
Very good. Fragment is nothing but it is a piece of code where we can reuse in multiple APIs, or I can say other APIs. Okay. So once we create, any one of the project, if you make it as a fragment, okay, then that code we can use across multiple projects. What is import file?
already developed project.
Importing from that file.
Importing.
From existing
From
code.
existing file.
Very good. Importing from the existing source. Okay. Suppose you developed one project. Okay. After that, I joined in your organization. Okay. That time, what you can do, you can assign to, or you can share that file with me. What I will do, I can take that project and I will work on it. Remaining work I can do. Okay. That is called import file from the project. What is this new Mule app?
Will not use that.
We are not going to use in the real time. Okay. It is
So what is
development.
Kishore, what is the difference between import file and the new fragment? Both are we are reusing, right?
See, import file is nothing but, suppose, I will tell you exactly. Suppose we are, see, import file is nothing but you created 2 lines of code. Okay. What I will do, from third line onwards, I can add. Okay. That I cannot use in other project. Correct. But fragment is nothing but piece of code that I can reuse in multiple projects. That is the difference between fragment and this. Okay. I will show you practically so that you will understand. Okay, exactly. So we are going to use all the 3 ways. Okay.
Yeah, got it. Thank you.
Yeah. This Mule app is nothing but it is for development purpose. Development purpose, we have a studio. Okay. So this is, still in the beginning stage. They didn't, implement it purely. Clear? Okay. Now click on new API spec. So here we need to provide the title. Title means
Project name.
Project
very
name.
good. Title is nothing but project name.
Project.
Okay, here I will write some name.
Calculator.
This is very simple and you can understand very easily. Okay. Now we need to select this version. How many of you done this yesterday's task? What is the difference between RAML 1.1 and 1.8?
0.8.
How many of you done? No one?
Hello.
Yes.
Hello. Yeah, actually I did, but I didn't explore much. The main difference is that we can in RAML 1.0 we can reuse the data types, whereas
Correct.
in 0.8 we can't. Yeah.
Okay. Sounds good. That is one valid point. Okay. You will
That's
find
it.
out, 2 more points as well, 1 or 2 points extra. Okay. You can reach.
Yeah, I didn't much explore actually.
Yeah, yeah. Good.
Thank you.
Great job, Nalini.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Sure.
Yes.
We got some changes from 0.8 and 1.0.
Okay. What are all the changes?
Example,
Very good.
extensions.
Very good. Okay. That is the another, that's why like this, some guys will catch, some point. Okay. That's why I'm giving these points. Okay. What you guys will do once, you guys will enroll, I will add in the group. Okay. Once I add in the group, you can post over there. Suppose Nalini shared one valid point. Okay. Another guy, he shared one more valid point. Okay. What these guys will do, like other guys, if they're not able to search, you can take this copy paste and you can create document. Okay. But if you didn't prepare, some people they will think, hurry, someone will prepare. Okay. Simply what I'll do, I can copy paste. You can copy paste. Okay. But you will not get extra knowledge while researching. Okay, they will learn so many lines. Okay, they will go to different websites in real time. Also, if they will get any issue, they can Google it and they will solve. But you are not able to solve if you copy paste. Okay, so that's why everyone you need to do practice. So why I'm giving, see, actually I need to explain this. What is RAML 1.0? What is 0.8? Okay. Why I did not explain means you have to research it. If you research it, you will learn something extra. You are spending time on this MuleSoft. That's why my intention is I will make you to spend much time on this Mule. Okay. So then only you will get the job very easily. Okay. Na? Make a job easy రావడం కోసమే నేను ఈ టాస్క్లు ఇవన్నీ ఇస్తూ ఉంటాను. ఓకేనా? సో ఫర్ షూర్ నేను చెప్పిన వ్యాస్టీస్ ఫస్ట్ క్లాస్ నుంచి లాస్ట్ క్లాస్ వరకు ఎవరైతే ప్రాక్టీస్ చేసి ఓకేనా పీపీటీ ఇట్లా ప్రిపేర్ చేసి ఇంటర్వ్యూ క్వశ్చన్స్ రాసుకుంటారో నేను గ్యారంటీ ఇస్తాను వాళ్ళకి ఖచ్చితంగా జాబ్ వస్తుంది. ఓకేనా? ఇట్ ఈస్ to use comparing to 0.8. Okay, we use the code without writing the code again. Good. Okay. Okay guys, let me click on this create API spec. Okay, now today 85 participant joined. Maybe tomorrow we will see around some 70 and all. Finally, some 50 to 60 people will join. Okay, so that we can create a WhatsApp group. There we can share everything. Okay, so I created RAML version and then title. Click on enter. As soon as you click on this enter, okay, you can see so many options. What is this area?
Chef.
Editor.
Chef.
This is editor, this is chef.
Editor.
Yeah,
Oh, chef.
this is chef.
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 Here we
Okay.
get the
Okay.
intelligence.
Okay.
This is the editor.
Okay.
Okay, here first thing is we need to select we created API called calculator. Okay, for this we have to provide some version. What is the version? V1. Anything you can provide, but okay, usually we will follow version always start with the 1, V1, something like that. Okay, this is my version V1. See, as soon as I create here, it got created over here. Okay, then protocols. Can we use any protocols for this API? Okay, see, I can use protocols, these two, HTTP and HTTPS. Anyone you can use. Now again, today's interview question. What is the difference between HTTP and HTTPS? Okay, I will tell you.
HTTPS means security.
Okay.
Thing. No
Very
security.
good.
No security page.
Okay. So here I'm using protocols both HTTP and HTTPS. HTTP is nothing but hypertext transfer protocol. HTTPS means secure hypertext transfer protocol. Okay. So at least you can write 5 to 10 differences. Okay, regarding this. Okay.
Excuse me,
And,
sir.
yes.
Sir, is this protocols HTTPS and HTTP is mandatory in every RAML we are creating, sir?
See, this is just dummy. If you did not mention this protocol also, nothing will happen.
Nothing. Yes, yes.
Yeah. Okay, this is not a mandatory.
But
We need to follow the standards. If someone will see your API, it will be looks nice, right?
yeah,
Yeah. Even if we are set, okay, what you will do? You will keep all the buttons, right? You will not leave empty, right?
yes, yes.
That is your wish. If you want, some people they will remove first button. Okay. Some people they
Okay.
will keep up to neck. Okay. So that is
Okay.
their vision. Okay. If we can see, all the buttons, that looks good. Okay. Here also, if you keep, all the whatever possible ways is there, in the API, if you keep everything, that will be nice. Correct. If you prepare, any curry and all something, coriander leaves optional. Some people they like, some people they don't like, right? That is optional here also. But if you keep everything, that will be nice. Here also same way. Even if you did not mention this version also, nothing will happen. This is our own API. Correct?
Yeah. Yes.
Okay.
So Kishore, for which requirement that you're creating this API?
This calculator, can you see here?
Okay, but what are the requirements like in the calculator? What you're doing? What
I'm
is the
going to
customer-
perform some addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. Okay.
Okay.
Yep. I'll explain. Okay. Don't worry. See, this I am going to explain you. Coming 3 to 4 classes, I'm going to explain. Okay. From basic to advanced level. Okay. Once 5 classes got over from today onwards. Okay. After 6th class, I am going to take you real-time APIs. How we'll get the requirement from the client. Okay. How you are going to receive that spreadsheet. Spreadsheet is nothing but Excel sheet. Okay. So మీకు రిక్వైర్మెంట్ ఎలా వస్తుంది వచ్చినాక ఎలా ఉంటుంది అసలు రిక్వైర్మెంట్ ఆ రిక్వైర్మెంట్ చూసి మనం ఎలా డిజైన్ చేస్తాం, దాట్ వీ విల్ సీ ఇన్ ద కమింగ్ క్లాసెస్. ఓకే, ప్రోటోకాల్ అప్ టు నో క్లియర్, రైట్? వర్షన్, ప్రోటోకాల్. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్. Okay, next I want to construct one API. Construct or design one API. Guys, just remember one thing. Okay, here I'm going to explain 5 things. If you remember all these 5 things, it will make your life very easy. Okay, you can construct, you can build any kind of API if you remember these 5 steps. Okay, in interview also they may ask you how you are going to design a API, what and all you are going to follow. Okay, like that they may ask you in the interview. Okay, so here I will show you 5 things. Let me close this. Please be mute. Okay, so if you want to construct any kind of API, we need these 5 things. Can someone read it for me? Resource path,
Methods, request, response, HTTP status code.
okay, I'll give you 1 minute. You need to remember all these 5. Okay, you need to tell in the order. Okay, we need to follow the proper order. Okay, first one is resource path. Resource path is nothing but it is a just a name. Okay, you can provide any name. Okay, this resource path always start with the slash. Can you see here? Slash provide any name. You can write your name, you can write your favorite hero, heroine name, nothing will happen. Resource path is nothing but just a name, that's it. Okay, slash you can provide name. So this resource path we are going to use, each and every project in the development. If you open the studio, if you click on this listener, you can see path. This path is nothing but resource path. For every project we are going to use this path. Very, 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 very important. Okay, not only in development, in design also we are going to use this. Clear? That is called resource path. Okay, resource path is nothing but it is just a name. You have to provide slash. Understood here? This is clear, right?
Yes, Kishore.
Yes, that's clear.
Okay, next one is methods. Okay, I think many people, I know, so, what I noticed here, many people are working in different technologies like this. So many people heard about this get, post, put, delete and patch methods, right?
Yes.
Okay,
Yes.
fine. If you don't know anything also, fine. I will take, separate session for this. I'm going to explain all the methods. Okay.
Okay.
Methods: get method, post method, put method, delete method, patch method. Here just I'm giving, high level explanation. Get means we need to get something, we need to retrieve something. Okay, that purpose we are going to use this get method. Post means we need to create something, we need to create a resource something. Okay, put means we need to replace. Okay, we need to replace. Delete means we are going to delete the resource. Patch means we are going to update partially. Okay, in real time where we are going to use, Guys, please be in mute. Okay.
Sir, can you repeat for put what?
Yeah, put means we can update, okay, or we can replace. For both ways we can use put. Get means to get the something. Post means to create something. Put means update or replace something. Delete means you need to delete something. Patch means you need to update partially. Okay. Suppose
what you-
every here
What you're deleting or what you're putting here, the data or the data field?
anything. See, suppose if you are processing some records, okay, if you want to get some records, okay, suppose let me tell you one thing here. Take anything, red bus example or something. Okay, so here Hyderabad to Chennai, so and so date. If we click on this search bus, okay, this search bus is one of the API. Okay, if I click on this search bus, internally it will call the get method and it is going to get the some data from the database. See, if I click on this get, okay, see, it got fetched some data. So internally get method will call. Understood?
Yes.
Yeah, I understood.
Yeah, this is how it is. I will take separate session. Just remember, okay, methods means you need to remember at least this 5 methods: get, post, put, delete, patch.
Sir,
Again,
here,
yeah,
here put and patch methods both are used for update.
yes. This is partially update. This is completely update. I will
Okay.
give you one example so that you will understand. Okay.
Okay.
Put means we can update many things. Okay, suppose you left the organization. Okay, instead of you I need to hire someone to that project. Okay, so that what I need to do, new guy came, right? So I need to update his first name, last name, mobile number, everything I need to update. Correct? This is fully I need to update. Patch means, so suppose every year we will get the increment. Correct? We are not going to change first name, last name every year. What we will do, we will change just the salary. You will get the hike, right? That hike we are going to update like this. Okay,
Okay.
I will
Okay,
show
sir.
you real time so that you will understand. See, today I'm going to explain high level. We are not going to discussing in depth. Okay, see, resource path is nothing but just a name, that's it. Katham. Okay, methods is nothing but get, post, put, delete, patch. Okay, clear?
Okay.
Yeah. So next one is request. What is request? Request means, okay, we need to send something. Suppose I am giving calculator example, right? So request means I need to enter two numbers, right? Two numbers or any numbers. Okay,
Yes.
we need to provide. Suppose I want to find out 10 plus 10. Okay, here what is the request I am giving? 10 plus 10. Two numbers I am giving request. Correct? That we can call it as a request. Okay, you didn't understand still?
Request is nothing but the requirement we can call.
Sorry,
Sure.
What we
Entering
are
the
given.
variables which we need.
1 second, hold on.
Kind of input.
Yes, just input. Very good. See now 5. Okay, this is one number I'm giving input plus again 5. This is number 1, number 2 I'm giving input. Okay, that means I'm giving request to this guy. Okay, this guy, calculator. This guy will give the response for me. Okay, let me click on equal to. So I got the response as 10. That we can call it as a response. Can you see here? Where it is? Here only, right? Sorry. PPT, right? Yeah, this is the request. Request is nothing but I'm passing some numbers. I'm giving some input. Response means I'm getting some output. Simply you just remember input, output. Correct?
Yes, correct.
Okay. Resource path done, method is done, request is done, response is done. Next,
This-
status code.
This request we give as payload, sir.
Sorry?
This request we give in a payload or set variable. With which connectors we give this request?
Anything you can use. You can use in Postman also. See, suppose in the Postman also, here you can provide. I will show you just now. Don't worry. Okay, many places we can use this request on the payload is nothing but that is different. Payload is nothing but that is the actual data. Okay, that we can call it as a payload.
సార్ ఇప్పుడు రిక్వెస్ట్ అంటే మన యూజర్స్ మనకి ఇది డేటా ఇస్తారు కదా అలా
అంతే. ఇప్పుడు రిక్వెస్ట్ అంటే నువ్వు బస్ టికెట్ బుక్ చేయాలి లేదా ఫ్లైట్ బుక్ చేయాలి అనుకోండి. ఓకేనా, హైదరాబాద్ టు గోవా. ఓకే, నువ్వు రిక్వెస్ట్ ఇస్తున్నావు ఏమని, సోర్స్ హైదరాబాద్ అని, డెస్టినేషన్ గోవా అని ఇచ్చి క్లిక్ చేస్తావు. క్లిక్ చేసినప్పుడు అదొక రెస్పాన్స్ ఇస్తుంది నీకు, ఏమేమి ఉన్నాయి అని ఫ్లైట్స్. అది రిక్వెస్ట్, ఇది రెస్పాన్స్. అర్థమైంది? ఓకే. నెక్స్ట్ స్టేటస్ కోడ్స్. స్టేటస్ కోడ్స్ అంటే మీరు ఎప్పుడన్నా ఏదైనా బ్రౌజ్ చేసినప్పుడు ఎర్రర్స్ వచ్చాయా? 500 అని, 404 అని, అన్ఆథరైజ్డ్ అని.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
ఓకేనా, అవన్నీ ఏంటంటే
404,
హెచ్టిటిపి స్టేటస్ కోడ్. యా, వెరీ గుడ్. సో అవన్నీ ఏంటంటే హెచ్టిటిపి స్టేటస్ కోడ్స్. ఓకేనా, ఈ హెచ్టిటిపి స్టేటస్ కోడ్స్ అనేవి యూనివర్సల్ స్టేటస్ కోడ్స్ అన్ని. మీరు ఏ లాంగ్వేజ్ అన్నా తీసుకోండి, మ్యూల్సాఫ్టే కాదు, ఇఫ్ యూ టేక్ జావా, .NET, ఏ టెక్నాలజీలో అయినా హెచ్టిటిపి స్టేటస్ కోడ్ అన్ని సేమ్ ఉంటాయి, ఏ టెక్నాలజీ అయినా. అది ఇప్పుడు 500 వస్తే ఇంటర్నల్ సర్వర్ ఎర్రర్ అంటారు, నువ్వు అది ఏ లాంగ్వేజ్లో అయినా అదే అంటారు. ఓకేనా, అట్లా కొన్ని స్టేటస్ కోడ్స్ ఉంటాయి. మీకు నేను పంపిస్తాను, ఒకటి లింక్ పంపిస్తాను. సో డాక్యుమెంట్ ఇచ్చేటప్పుడు అది కూడా ఇస్తాను మీకు, జస్ట్ చూపిస్తాను. హెచ్టిటిపి స్టేటస్ కోడ్స్. చూసారా, ఇక్కడ ఇన్ని స్టేటస్ కోడ్స్ ఉంటాయి, 100 నుంచి 500 వరకు ఉంటాయి. ఓకేనా, ఈ సిరీస్ ఇందులో మనం ఎక్కువ ఏం వాడతాం అంటే రియల్ టైంలో 100 అస్సలు టచ్ చేయము. ఓకేనా, 200లో టచ్ చేసేది ఫస్ట్ 2నే, 99% ఈ రెండే వాడతాం. 200 మీన్స్ ఓకే, 201 మీన్స్ క్రియేటెడ్. ఓకేనా, ఇది గెట్ టు పోస్ట్ అన్ని మెథడ్స్ వాడతారు, ఇది పోస్ట్ మెథడ్ వాడతారు, గెట్ మెథడ్ కైనా వాడచ్చు. ఓకేనా, నెక్స్ట్ 300 అస్సలు టచ్ చేయమండి. ఓకేనా, నెక్స్ట్ డైరెక్ట్ 400. ఈ 400లో 400 బ్యాడ్ రిక్వెస్ట్ వస్తుంది, అన్ఆథరైజ్డ్ వస్తుంది. బ్యాడ్ రిక్వెస్ట్ అంటే డేటా సరిగా ఇచ్చిండవు. ఓకేనా, నెక్స్ట్ అన్ఆథరైజ్డ్ అంటే నీకు యాక్సెస్ లేకుండా నువ్వు అప్లికేషన్ యాక్సెస్ చేస్తూ ఉంటావు, అప్పుడు ఈ ఎర్రర్ వస్తుంది. 402 వాడము. నెక్స్ట్ 404 నాట్ ఫౌండ్. ఓకేనా, నువ్వు ఒక ఐడి ఇస్తావు ఏదన్నా, అది డేటాబేస్లో ఉందా లేదా చెక్ చేస్తావు, లేకపోతే నాట్ ఫౌండ్ అని వస్తుంది. ఓకేనా, 405 అంటే మెథడ్ నాట్ అలౌడ్, అంటే నువ్వు గెట్ బదులు వేరే మెథడ్ వాడావు అనుకో పోస్ట్, అప్పుడు ఈ ఎర్రర్ వస్తుంది. అంతే అండి, ఈ 4 వాడతాం ఇక్కడ రియల్ టైంలో. అయితే 500లో వచ్చేసి ఇది వాడతాం, ఇంటర్నల్ గేట్వే, ఇది టైమ్ అవుట్.
502 also.
502 బ్యాడ్ గేట్వే, ఈ 3 వాడతాం. 500, 502, 504. ఏమేమి నేర్చుకోవాలి, ఎలా నేర్చుకోవాలని నేను చెప్తా. ఇది కూడా ఇంటర్వ్యూ క్వశ్చన్ అండి. ఎలా అడుగుతారంటే ఇంటర్వ్యూలో, ఓకేనా, నేను కొన్ని ఎర్రర్ కోడ్స్ చెప్తాను, వాటి డిస్క్రిప్షన్ చెప్పండి అంటారు. ఓకేనా, 504 అంటాడు. ఓకేనా, గేట్వే టైమ్ అవుట్ అట్లా చెప్పాలి మీరు. ఓకేనా,
అన్ని రిమెంబర్ చేయాలా సార్? అంటే
అన్నీ అవసరం లేదండి, మీకు అన్ని నేను ప్రాక్టికల్ గా చూపిస్తా. మీరు ఒక్కటి కూడా చదవాల్సిన అవసరం లేదు, ప్రాక్టీస్ చేసినప్పుడే మీకు అర్థమైపోతాయి. ఓకేనా, చదివినా కూడా అన్ని కలిపి కూడా 10 కూడా ఉండవు ఇక్కడ. అర్థమైందా? మనం వాడేది 200, 400, 500 3 సిరీస్. ఒక్కొక్క దాంట్లో 3, 4 వేసుకున్నా ఒక 12 ఉంటాయి అంతే. క్లియర్?
క్లియర్.
ఓకే, ఇది పంపిస్తా, నేను చూసుకోండి. జస్ట్ నేను చాట్లో పింగ్ చేస్తా, మళ్ళీ మీకు వాట్సాప్ గ్రూప్లో పింగ్ చేస్తాను. సెండ్ చేశాను చాట్లో, జస్ట్ కాపీ చేసుకోండి. మళ్ళీ గ్రూప్లో కూడా పంపిస్తా. ఓకే, దిస్ ఈస్ క్లియర్ రైట్? ఓకే, సో నేను ఇప్పుడు కన్స్ట్రక్ట్ చేయాలనుకుంటున్నా ఏపీ. ఐ వాంట్ టు కన్స్ట్రక్ట్ వన్ సింపుల్ RESTful API. ఓకేనా? సో ఇఫ్ ఐ వాంట్ టు కన్స్ట్రక్ట్ ఎనీ API, what are all the things I need to remember?
Resource path.
Resource method, request, response.
So one by one.
So
Resource
path,
path, methods,
request,
request,
response,
Response.
response,
status code.
HTTP status code.
వెరీ గుడ్. ఓకేనా? సో మీరు చెప్పినట్టే ఇప్పుడు నేను వన్ బై వన్ ఐ విల్ ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ ఇట్. ఓకే, రిసోర్స్ పాత్. హౌ టు రైట్ రిసోర్స్ పాత్? క్లాస్ ఎనీ నేమ్. క్యాలిక్యులేటర్ ఏమంటే అడిషన్ ఉంటుంది, ఫస్ట్ అడిషన్ చేద్దాం. ఐ విల్ రైట్. సో ఇప్పుడు క్యాలిక్యులేటర్ అడిషన్ అంటే కొంచెం మీనింగ్ఫుల్ ఉంటుంది కదా. సో లేదా ఇక్కడ హీరో పేరు ఏదో ఒకటి ప్రభాస్ నితిన్ అని పెడితే మీనింగ్ఫుల్ ఉండదు. ఎర్రర్ అయితే రాదు ఇక్కడ నితిన్ అని రాసిన. ఓకేనా? చూడు ఇక్కడ రిఫ్లెక్ట్ అవుతుంది అంతే, ఎర్రర్ ఏం రాదు. బట్ మీనింగ్ఫుల్ ఉండదు కదా. క్యాలిక్యులేటర్ ఏపీలో నితిన్ ఏంది విన్నీకి బాగుండదు. సో వాట్ ఐ విల్ డు, ఐఎమ్ గోయింగ్ టు రైట్ అడిషన్. ఓకే, ఇది రిసోర్స్ పాత్. ఓకేనా? రిసోర్స్ పాత్ అయిపోతే ఏం రాయాలి? ఇప్పుడు నేను జస్ట్ ఎంటర్ కొట్టాను కదా, ఇక్కడ మీరు చూడండి ఈ సింబల్ ఉందా, దీన్ని క్లిక్ చేస్తే ఇక్కడ అన్ని మెథడ్స్ డిస్ప్లే అవుతాయి. ఆటోమేటిక్ గా దానికి కూడా అర్థమవుతుంది ఏం రాయాల్సింది. ఓకేనా? ఇప్పుడు మనం ఏం రాద్దాం? గెట్ మెథడ్ రాద్దాం. ఓకేనా? ఇప్పుడు మెథడ్ చూసారా, ఇక్కడ ఎవరో నిన్న ఒక క్వశ్చన్ అడిగారు, నేనంతా CLI చూస్తున్నా GUI చూద్దాం. ఓకేనా? ఇది GUI అండి, గ్రాఫికల్ యూజర్ ఇంటర్ఫేస్. ఓకేనా? ఇప్పుడు ఈ మెథడ్ లోపల రాస్తున్నా చూడు, నేను ఇక్కడ రాస్తున్నా కదా, ఇంకా ఇక్కడ ఏం డిస్ప్లే అవ్వదు, అన్ని మెథడ్ లో ఉంటాయి. ఓకే, సో రిసోర్స్ పాత్ ఈస్ డన్, మెథడ్ ఈస్ డన్. నెక్స్ట్ రిక్వెస్ట్. సో రిక్వెస్ట్ కి మనం ఏం వాడతామంటే డైరెక్ట్ రిక్వెస్ట్ అయినా ఇవ్వచ్చు, క్వరీ పారామీటర్స్. యా, సో క్వరీ పారామీటర్స్ చూడు, ఆటోమేటిక్ గా ఇక్కడ ఆప్షన్ ఉంది మనకు, క్లిక్ చేయండి అంతే, క్వరీ పారామీటర్స్. ఓకేనా? క్వరీ పారామీటర్స్ లో నేను ఇక్కడ ఏం చెప్పాను, క్యాలిక్యులేటర్స్ లో 2 నంబర్స్ పాస్ చేయాలి. ఓకేనా? ఆ నంబర్స్ లెట్ మీ పాస్ దిస్. ఓకే, నెంబర్ వన్ ఓకే, జస్ట్ ఎంటర్ ఇవ్వండి అంతే, మీరేం టచ్ చేయొద్దు. నెంబర్ 1. ఓకేనా? ఈ నెంబర్ 1 అనేది ఏం టైప్? ఇంటీజర్. వెరీ గుడ్, ఇంటీజర్ రైట్. జస్ట్ T అని రాయండి, టైప్ ఆటోమేటిక్గా వస్తుంది. నేనేమన్నా కోడ్ రాస్తున్నానా? ఏం రాయలే, I రాస్తే ఇంటీజర్ వస్తుంది, ఎంటర్ అంతే. మళ్ళీ ఎంటర్ కొట్టండి. సో ఈ నెంబర్ 1 అనేది రిక్వైర్డా కాదా?
డిఫాల్ట్ గా ట్రూ ఏ ఉంటుంది.
బై డిఫాల్ట్ ఇట్ విల్ బి ట్రూ. బట్ చెప్పాను కదా, రాస్తే నీట్ గా ఉంటది, చూసిన వాళ్ళకి కూడా బాగుంటది. ఆల్ ద నేమింగ్ కన్వెన్షన్స్ అండ్ ఎవ్రీథింగ్ వీఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు ఫాలోయింగ్ అన్నమాట.
సార్ రియల్ టైం ప్రాజెక్ట్ లో కూడా సేమ్ ఉంటుంది సార్.
ఇంకా ఇదే అండి రియల్ టైం అంటే, ఇట్లే రాస్తాం.
ఓకే సార్.
మనకేందంటే ఇప్పుడు డేటా ఏం లేదు, రిసోర్స్ పాత్ ఏం రాయాలి, మెథడ్ ఏం పెట్టాలని లేదు, రిక్వెస్ట్ ఏమి ఇవ్వాలి, రెస్పాన్స్ అనేది ఏమి ఇవ్వలే. నేను చెప్తున్నా మీకు ప్రాక్టీస్ కోసం ఇది. ఓకేనా?
ఓకే సార్.
ఇప్పుడు నేను చెప్పే క్లాసు మీరు యూట్యూబ్ లో కూడా దొరుకుతాయి మీకు, ఎవడైనా చెప్తాడు ఇవి. ఓకేనా? ఈ 3 క్లాసెస్ తర్వాత చెప్తాను చూడు, అది రియల్ టైం. ఇది కూడా రియల్ టైమే, కాకపోతే ఇది అందరు చెప్పింటారు మీకు, మీరు యూట్యూబ్ లో కొట్టినా కూడా వస్తాయి ఇవన్నీ, గూగుల్లో చూసుకున్నా. ఓకేనా?
But sir, but all database.
Hello, Kishore.
Yeah, go ahead.
Can we use in the place of query parameter description also?
Yeah, we can use అండి, చెప్తాను. స్టెప్ బై స్టెప్ వెళ్దాం, అన్ని ఒకే రోజు ఎందుకు నేర్చుకోవడం, చాలా టైం ఉంది కదా. సో నెంబర్ 1. సో ఇప్పుడు నెంబర్ 2 రాయాలి. నేను నెంబర్ 2 ఇక్కడ రాయకూడదు, నెంబర్ 1 ఎక్కడ రాస్తానో ఎగ్జాక్ట్ సేమ్ అండర్ అదే లైన్ లో రాయాలి. ఓకేనా? దాన్ని ఇండెంటేషన్ అంటారండి. ఇండెంటేషన్ ఫాలో అవ్వాలి. అది సింటాక్స్ అట్లా అంటారు. నంబర్ 2 ఓకేనా. నంబర్ 2కి మళ్ళీ టైప్ ఇంటీజర్ ట్రూ. ఓకేనా. దిస్ ఈజ్ మై రిక్వెస్ట్. ఐఎమ్ పాసింగ్ 2 numbers, number 1, number 2. Okay. Five plus 3. Okay, number 1, number 2 I passed. Now, what is the next step?
Response.
Response. So this response, where I need to write? Wherever I started request,
Query
same
parameter.
line under.
Query parameter.
Yeah, very good. Request ekkada rasana, response ekkada.
Sir?
Guys, please be in mute. చెప్తానండి, కంప్లీట్ అవ్వని. ఫస్ట్ 5 steps అయిపోయిన వరకు ఎవరు డిస్టర్బ్ చేయొద్దు. రిక్వెస్ట్, దెన్ రెస్పాన్స్, టైప్ ఆర్ responses. Okay, responses I want to display always first success response. So what I'll do, I'm going to write 200 means success okay response, that I want to display to the user. Okay, next enter body. ఓకేనా. ఈ బాడీకి ఒక టైప్ ఉంటుందండి, కంటెంట్ టైప్, అప్లికేషన్ JSON XML అని. ఓకేనా. దిస్ we will talk later. What is JSON, what is XML? These are the data formats అండి. ఓకేనా. నెక్స్ట్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్. ఎగ్జాంపుల్లో నేను ఇక్కడ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ రాస్తాను. ఏమని రాస్తాను? మెసేజ్ result is, okay, some random number ఇస్తాను, ఎంతో కొంత, ఒక 40 అనుకుంది. ఓకేనా. దిస్ ఈజ్ మై రెస్పాన్స్. ఓకేనా. నెక్స్ట్ రిసోర్స్ పాత్ ఈస్ డన్, మెథడ్ ఈస్ డన్, రిక్వెస్ట్ ఈస్ డన్, రెస్పాన్స్ ఈస్ డన్. నెక్స్ట్ వాట్ ఎల్స్ ఈస్ పెండింగ్?
HTTP status code.
HTTP status codes. Wherever I wrote 200 exact under same line, I have to write the status codes. Okay, what is the status code I need to write? Let me write 400. Okay. Similarly, you can write body. Okay. Application JSON. Example. Okay, here I am writing message. Message. Bad request. క్లియర్. అంతే అండి. ఒక API డిజైన్ చేయాలంటే 5 థింగ్స్ రిమెంబర్. ఓకేనా. ఆ 5 థింగ్స్ మనం రాసాం ఇక్కడ. రిసోర్స్ పాత్ ఇస్ డన్, మెథడ్ ఇస్ డన్, రిక్వెస్ట్ ఇస్ డన్, రెస్పాన్స్ ఇస్ డన్, దెన్ HTTP status codes done. Okay, if you want you can write one more status code as well, saying that 500 500. Next body, application JSON. Sorry, it got printed XML. Let me scroll up. Application JSON. Example. Okay, here I am writing message. Okay, bad request.
And then means internal
server error.
Oh, sorry. Very good. Internal server error. Okay. See, just now I created, simple API. Okay. Now I want to test this API, whether this API is working or not. Okay. What I will do, I'll click on this get method and then click on try it. Okay. So I'll click on this send. Okay, I'm getting bad request. Why? Because
For example,
You
numbers
haven't given any input.
We are not
we
giving
are
any
not
input.
providing
Yeah.
any
Input
input.
numbers.
Yes, very good. అందుకే బ్యాడ్ రిక్వెస్ట్ వచ్చింది. ఓకేనా? ఇప్పుడు లెట్ మీ పాస్ 20. For number 2 also I am passing
20.
20, sir.
These are optional parameters, right?
one second.
Hello.
Yes,
So these are our optional parameters, right? The
this is
above
required,
two
man.
optional parameters, right?
See
Is
here I
must
am
and should.
required.
Zero is also a number, right? Okay.
0 is also number.
Then what is showing as zero is coming as a zero, right? Addition.
No, that we didn't give. Wait, I'll show you. Now 20 plus 20, right? Now what I'll do, I'll click on the send button. Now I'll get message result is 40. Okay. Now let me remove this 20. Okay. Let me provide 0. Okay. Here also I'm going to provide 0. Guys, please be in mute. Okay. So just now I give 0, 0. Click on send. See, even though you got the 200. 0 plus 0, how much? Hello?
0.
But I got 40. How?
Because
We are
the
not
same
taking
process
input.
The
The
message you
design is
have
the
given
not the
default
development.
as 40.
message result is
Result
40.
is 40.
1 second, 1 second. Hold on. Can someone tell me?
Result is
Sir, this
40.
is a design, sir, not a development, sir. That's why it's a static data.
Very good. This is the design. Design means it is a blueprint. Here, I did not implement any business logic over here. Okay. So what we need to do, we have to implement business logic in the designs, sorry, in the studio. Then only if you provide any values, okay, that result you will get it. Okay. So this is the design. Design is nothing but blueprint of our API. Clear? So this is how we can design our API. Okay. Once this design is done, what you need to do? You need to inform to your TLR manager. Hey boss. Okay. So whatever the requirement which you provided. So I have done this task. So can you please, review my API? Okay. So you have to set up one call with your, your TLR manager. Okay. Na? సో మీరు ఈ వర్క్ చేశాక మీరంతా టెస్ట్ చేసుకోండి లోకల్గా ఇక్కడ వర్క్ అవుతుందా లేదా అవుట్పుట్ వస్తుందా ఎవ్రీథింగ్ ఈస్ ఫైన్ ఓకేనా ఇదంతా అయిపోయాక వాట్ యూ నీడ్ టు డూ యూ హ్యావ్ టు సెట్ అప్ వన్ మీటింగ్ విత్ యువర్ టిఎల్ ఓకేనా ఆ మీట్ గైస్ ప్లీజ్ బీ ఇన్ మ్యూట్ రెడ్మీ ఐ డోంట్ నో హూ ఇస్ రెడ్మీ ఓకే సో you have to set up meeting with your TL. Okay, what that guy will do? Okay, he is going to check your specification. Specification is nothing but methods, resource path, okay, request, response, everything is there in the proper format or not, everything he will check. Okay, so post review from the RAML. Okay, we have to publish this API to the AnyPoint Exchange. Okay, so now this URL, maybe he is in a abroad or somewhere USA. Okay, your TL. Okay, you have to share this API to that guy. Okay, if I provide this requested URL, Control A, Control C. Okay, I am sending to you. Okay, just now I posted this URL. Okay, can someone try? Can you hit in the browser? Can someone? Let me try my end. Here I will enter. See what I'm getting? Error type, service error, message no organization ID header. Okay. Why I'm getting this error? This is the internal API. Okay. It is going to work within this. Okay. API only, Ramal. See, if I'm sending the same URL, I'm getting the output here. Okay. But if I share this URL with you, it is not working. Okay. So now if I want to share that URL with you, what I need to do? I want to make this URL as a public. Okay. That means I need to mock this URL. Okay. This is the interview question. Okay. What is mocking? Mocking means to provide a temporary URL to the client. Okay. How you are going to mock? Click on this symbol, mocking service configuration. Make public is there, right? Click on this. Okay. Here you will get the link. Just copy this link. Okay. Earlier I shared one link, right? Okay. Where is that link? This is my link. Okay. Up to here, you just remove and paste this. Hit enter. See, now you got the output. Okay. Now this is the public URL. If I share with you, click on this second link, whatever I am posting just now. Can someone hit that URL? Will you get the output?
The request could not be found.
Second one.
Yeah, I got the same.
Yeah, the request resource
The
could not
request
be found.
resource could
Could
not
not be
found.
Second one.
Yes.
Yes,
Yes. Yes.
Resource could not be
found.
found.
I get the same.
Okay, why you are getting means you need to pass some inputs over here. Okay, so that's
Yeah,
why
yeah.
I'm not able to see in the browser. There is no option to provide the query params. Okay, so that's why it is giving, you know, this kind of error. So to avoid this, you know, we have to use the tool called Postman. Okay, what is Postman? Postman is used to test your applications externally. Just open this Postman. Now whatever the URL is there, right? Let me copy and paste it. Okay. So here I need to provide some query params, right? So how to pass query params? Number one. Okay. Whatever you provide, you will get same only. Next. Number two. Okay. If I get this, will I get the output? Requested ID not found. 404 I'm getting. Okay. 404 means what?
Not found.
Not found. That means we are not finding the exact output. Okay, let me open this. Let me copy this first. 1 second. Okay, I'll come back here. Try it. Send. So I got the bad request. So here only I'm getting the bad request. Let me refresh. Actually, we need to get the output. Okay, maybe this time it may work. Let me check. Try it. Okay, let me provide some values. click on send. So I got 200. Let me take this URL, Control C. I'll come to the Postman and I'll paste this. Even query params also got selected. See, now I'll mock this. Okay, I'll copy this mock URL. Okay, just replace this URL with this. Okay, and then try. So you got the output saying that result is 40. Clear? Even though if you change any values here, it won't reflect. You will get the same output. See, 88 plus 55. Still you will get 40. But okay, now what is the actual output? 88 plus 55.
Plus 523,
143,
143.
Okay, 143. We need to get it. Okay. How we need to achieve this? Okay, that we are going to see in the development class. Okay. Whatever we design here, what I will do now, my TL, TL, he checked all the specification. Everything is working fine. I shared URL with him. That is also working fine. Now we need to publish this URL to the Exchange. Okay. Click on this publish to Exchange. Okay. While publishing, make sure you have to remember one thing, asset to version. This is the required field. Okay. Example is 1.0.0. Okay. Same we need to provide. If I give you 1.0, if I click on publish to Exchange, it will throw error saying that it is expecting some XYZ format. See, publishing to the Exchange, invalid version 1.0. It is expecting some XYZ format. So we need to follow that. .0. Okay. Now this version already I created, right? My API version V1, it took automatically. Okay. Now click on publish to Exchange. So that our API is available in the Exchange. Tomorrow what we will do, this is the initial version. Imagine only addition is there. Let me click on this. This is my initial version. Only one method is there. That is get method. See, now I publish to the Exchange. Okay. Now I will inform to manager saying that, okay, whatever the, API which you provided, that I already completed and I tested that one working fine, and same I push it to the Exchange. Okay. Your manager, he's not technical guy, he's a functional guy. Okay. If you show this code to him, he will not understand what is this query parameter, number 1, number 2. This code is not able to understand. Okay. That's why your managers, they don't have access to this design center in some of the organization. They will have access to this Exchange. So that in Exchange, what he will do, he will click on this summary. Just he will click the get method. Okay. So that he can see. That's it. Then he will click on this send. Okay. Here, let me provide some values. Okay. Click on send. We'll get the success. See, message result is 40. Okay. Like this, he can test. Okay. Then he will say, hey, it is working fine. Then you can start development. Okay. This development start, we can do it in 2 ways. One is download, we can project as a RAML. See this as a RAML. Click on download, automatically one file will be downloaded. Now we have to come to the Anypoint Studio. Okay. So here click on file, new mule project. Okay. Here you can provide name, calculator. Click on finish. Okay, it got created. Now, so we can import that file, sorry, right click. Okay, there are so many ways are there. Right click, import it. Okay, it will ask you path where you want to import. Click on next, finish. Okay, this I will show you development later. This is one way. There are many ways are there. Okay, while creating application only, we can do that. That is also other way. Through from Exchange also we can do that. Okay, this is how we need to create our API specification and we need to publish to the Exchange. Okay, once you publish here, can you click on this home? So this is type REST API. Okay, published by, it will display your name. When you publish this one, everything, it will show you what is the initial version. Tomorrow what I'll do, I'm going to add 3 more methods. Today I added only addition, right? Tomorrow multiplication, subtraction, division I'll do. Then I will publish that API so that what will happen, you know, one more version will be created, 1.0.1. If you want the old one, you can use old one, or if you want new one, both you can use. Okay, it will not replace, it will append. Okay, clear? Now in your organization, you know, some business analyst will be there. What they will do, they are going to add this description. If they want to add anything, like they can edit this. Okay, they can add something and they can do that. Okay, that business guys will take care of this. Or else if you want, you can also add. See, click on this here. You can write like, by using this API, I'm going to perform all math. Okay, ops means operations. Okay, click on this checkbox. If you don't know what you need to write, they will provide in the document, so that you can copy paste it. Okay, so this is how it is going to work in the real time also. Okay,
Okay.
clear? There is no theory, right? Theory will be 5 to 10 minutes, that's it. Okay, every class will be like this only. Okay, complete your lab session practical.
Okay.
Okay, you have to practice on daily basis. Okay, today what is your interview question? What is the difference between HTTP and HTTPS? And also at the same time,
What is mocking?
what is mocking? Okay, so these two are your today's interview questions. Okay, any other questions, guys?
So what is significance of version in the design center?
Sorry?
You mentioned version 1, right?
Sorry? Yeah, version 1.
Yeah, what is the significance? Why we need to maintain version 1?
That you can write any name, okay? See, suppose if you go to App
I
Store
understand.
page,
The naming convention I understand, but why we need to mention version? Why we need to maintain versions?
I didn't get you.
So why we need the version 1, version 2, and all you mentioned, right?
Yes. For each and every release, we need to follow this, or else we will not understand, right, which version it is. How we are going to identify. See, today I designed this, okay? Tomorrow maybe update with the different. Just, you know, we need to follow this.
So if we, excuse me.
Yeah, go ahead.
So if we update tomorrow with the post and something one, so
Yeah,
that one
it
will
will-
come like version V1 or
Version 2
V2.
and- yeah, V2.
Okay, so that we can identify easily today's and
That's what.
tomorrow's.
Only for build purpose. Every build or
Okay.
release, we can use this.
So there is a capability of sending to Exchange, like if you want to send version 1, we can do it, or version 2, we can do it, right?
See, this is the version V1, right, which I created today. Okay.
Correct.
Tomorrow, if I want to update this, okay, code, if I publish again, see, it will display few minutes back, you know, 0 days back you updated. Okay, if I publish tomorrow again, it will take default version V1 dot this, like this it will take.
Yeah, that version is good, but you mentioned some API version 1, right? So why we need that? That's the question.
This is
Yeah.
the root file version. This is the root version. Whatever the API which we created, right?
Okay. So the other question is, you mentioned about the REST API, right? So what do you mean by REST API?
Referential state transition. So by using this, these are all in Mule 4, almost we are going to use, all the REST APIs. So what is the difference between REST and SOAP in the coming classes? I will demonstrate. Okay. I prepared awesome PPT. That time we will discuss.
So always the RAM will consider the REST API, right? Not the
Yes.
SOAP.
Yes, you are right. So RAML is nothing but RESTful API modeling language. This is the REST API. If you want to use SOAP, you have to use WSDL. WSDL is nothing but web service description language. Okay. See, you just, if you want, in-depth details, you just go through about this version. Whatever we created, that is the asset version. Just go through this. You will get, more clarity on this. Any other questions?
On the cover on the bathroom toilet.
The course content. So what you're going to teach in the next time?
1 second. Yeah, go on.
Are you going to share the course content, like what you're going to teach in next 30 days?
Okay, you didn't receive.
No.
Okay, 1 second. See, people, here 84 people are there, right? All are, from different places, from different institutes. So that's why I'm not sure to whom you contacted. So this is the course content I designed, okay? Okay, for 35 or 36 hours I designed. Okay, this is Anypoint platform overview. Okay, yesterday I explained, overview, how to sign up with this Anypoint platform overview. Okay, building a simple calculator API. Okay, tomorrow also we are going to continue with this. Okay, after that we will build one employee and student API. Once we build all the 3 APIs, okay, we will implement trades. Okay, what is trade and all we will cover. These are all somewhat advanced concept from here. Okay.
Sorry, sharing this, or do we need to contact the other guy for this?
Like, yeah, I will share right away. Okay, maybe let me post here in the chat whether it will come or not.
Yeah, the reason why I'm asking is because before, we continue the course, we need to understand what we are learning, right?
Correct. You are right. Hold on, let me pass it.
Provide your personal number.
Sorry?
Provide your personal number, sir. Chat box.
Yeah, we will add you in the group, okay? Once you guys will register. Or else you just make a note. It's 8660. Okay, let me post you guys.
Already we received.
Yes, 8664.
Just now I posted, okay?
Okay, hello.
Yes.
It's 866021.
I posted in the chat box. Okay? Chat box.
Okay.
How will get the certification? Okay, it's too early. I already explained, right, how to get this vouchers and all. I'll explain. Okay, very soon. See, you will get it free of cost. This I can promise you. Okay, for sure you will get the free of cost. This I can share you all the questions and answers. Where will you get the recordings? Recordings will be there in the cloud. Okay. Today, like these 4 days, everyone will receive the recordings. Okay. From 5th day onwards, you will not get the recording until unless you make a payment. Okay. Once your payment is done, we will take your mail IDs. Okay. We can provide access to you. Same day, you will get all the recording classes up to now, whatever we covered. Okay. Daily, you will get the recording after completion of your class. It may take 1 hour, then you will get it. Okay. And complete material, interview questions, resumes, everything you will get in the cloud. Okay. We will create like this in the classroom. We will create in the here. So here we are going to, okay, we are going to add people over here. Okay. So once you've done payment, we will add here, directly we'll get the recording. See, clearly we will write, okay, like this. Let me show you. This is the old batch. Okay, see, MuleSoft real-time API. This is the document. Okay. This is MuleSoft demo, class 1, class 2, class 3, class 4, class 5. Like this, we will create. We will write topic name as well, so that you can easily find out. Okay. This we can provide access with you guys through Drive, okay, or through YouTube or something. You can get all these videos. Okay. Can you send the file here? Yes, I'm trying to use that. Okay, course content. Just now I posted. Okay, can someone try to download? Other is it? Are you able to download or not?
Yes.
Please download it. Okay, perfect. Yeah, we are going to cover, all these topics. Okay, at the end you will get, interview question, topic wise, company wise, phase wise, resume preparation, personal references, 5 live design APIs that we are going to cover after 3 days, connecting to MySQL database. This I will show you. Softwares, what and all required, I mentioned over here. Okay, guys, any other questions? Okay, today only you attended. Okay, to whom you contacted, you can contact, or you can contact to me, I can help you. Yeah, we will provide previous. Only 2 classes got over. This is the 3rd class. I mean, without demo, it is 2nd class. Is there any difference between now what we are learning and real time? Okay, there is no, much difference, but in real time, we are going to connect, different systems, depends upon the requirement. Okay, whatever the requirement you will get, okay, based on first you need to learn all these basics. By using this, you need to get. We should have knowledge SQL, not required. Okay, any other questions? I'll give you 2 minutes of time. You can ask me. Okay, no problem. We can share the recordings with you.
The content is provided in chat box.
Yes, I posted already. Try to download.
Is not download.
I think that is problem in your end. Okay, many people already downloaded. Or else no problem. Once you register, we will share everything. Okay, we will share, complete materials. Okay, everything we will share with you. For page wise also we have material. Okay, this is deployment. Okay, this is the deployment guide. So this is also we can share with you. What is deployment? Okay, how we are going to deploy everything I made, with the screenshots. I'm going to provide like this. Don't worry about this recordings, interview questions, material. Okay, we will provide.
So can we expect more interview calls in these times?
Yes, you will get. Already, huge demand in the market. So at least every week you can expect at least 10 to 12 calls.
Okay, fine. Thank you.
Yeah.
Sir,
At least if you can schedule, 3 to 4 interviews. Okay. Within a month also you will get the job. Yes.
So, is there any way to create API other than?
Sorry.
No, is there any other way to create API like without using any tools or something like any open source or from
Without-
Dilbumi, all these things?
Delbumit, that is another integration tool. Okay.
Okay. So I mean to say, we can create, in a public way something. Is there any, apart from tools, is there any other method we can create APIs?
See why they will use public kernel. See, companies always they will use licensed tools. Okay.
Okay. And
Private means obviously there is no security. Okay.
so one more thing is, while we developing the APIs,
Mhm.
in the backend, what kind of services, what kind of servers it will involve? I mean,
That depends on the requirement. Okay. See, suppose one company backend they are going to use database. Okay.
Okay.
Some company they will use SAP. Some company they will use Workday, Nginx. Okay. Depends upon the organization to organization.
So you mean to say it's a backend database you're talking about, these things, SAP, Oracle, all these things?
Yeah, whatever, irrespective of anything, depends upon client and company. Okay, they will decide at the time of the project.
So and one more thing, is there any kind of version like enterprise, data center version kind of, all any kind of thing in Microsoft, or is a kind of only one kind of version in when it comes to licensing?
Yeah, see here mule version we are going to use 4.3. Okay.
This is a server based, or like what exactly, the overall architecture and all these things? Any PPT or something also fine with me.
Yeah, that I will provide. Okay. So here in MuleSoft, for each and every project we are going to follow the API led approach. Okay. In this we have 3 phases. Okay. That I will cover. Okay. I will provide material as well.
Yeah, sure. Thank you.
Yes.
So today is my first class, but it's okay. I can go through the back recordings.
Yeah, I can. You just conduct.
Sir,
Yes.
I'm 2017 passed out, sir.
That we will discuss later. Okay. Already, if it is first class, you can go through the demo class. There I explained. Okay. Or if you are not able to find that video, okay, you just come to here, just type YouTube. Okay, here just type MuleSoft by Bhargav Reddy. Okay, so this is my page. Here you will get the recordings. Okay, first class demo and first class I posted here, or else you just go through VLR. Okay, and this VLR, so you can go here. See this, no, not this. VLR also, yeah, this is the class. Okay, you can go anywhere, either this or this. This I posted here, only 3. Clear? Okay, guys, any other questions?
సార్
Yes.
మనీ పంపించడానికి దాని బ్యాంకింగ్ నేమ్ ఏమైనా వస్తుంది సార్, ఒకసారి కన్ఫర్మ్ చేస్తారా?
నా నెంబర్ కాండి
866021.
ఓకే, ఫోన్ పే అయితే శివకిషోర్ రెడ్డి అని వస్తుంది.
ఓకే,
గూగుల్ పే అయితే MuleSoft అని వస్తుంది.
ఓకే, థ్యాంక్స్.
Okay, guys. Okay, guys, thanks. Okay, we'll catch up tomorrow. We will implement remaining 3 resource paths, then we'll push to that. Okay, then after that we will go with the different APIs.
Thank you, sir.
Thanks,
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, bye.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah.